가슴이 터질 듯한 너도 날 똑같이 사랑해줄래 네가 돌아올 때마다 고백 연습하는 나
지금 찍고 헐 BPR 비디오가
Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.
이렇게 어떻게 하면 올리는 거 될 것 같은데. 어디다 놓고 왔어?
We're going to Korea.
Because the moment you have a situation where you are really in control of things, that is to say, in which the future is almost completely predictable.
갑자기 좋아한 거예요, 엄마?
가방 내려놓고.
그리고 어딘지 알지? 와 이렇게 더
아니다. 엄청 달아. 삭장해가지고 굉장히.
네.
신호 위반 과속 단속 구간입니다. 500m 앞 구간입니다.
이것 봐.
뭐라고 해야지? 지하철.
So we're done swabbing. How was it? How's the swabbing experience in Korea?
Painful.
No, it was much more painful in.
No, actually, I
Philippines.
did both nose.
Me
and-
too. 그러니까. 뭐 하는 거야?
우리 탑 있어, 팀원이.
한 번 타는데 얼마인 줄 알아? So it's raining. It's been raining since the afternoon. So we're at 뭐더라? 동대문?
동대문.
We're at Dongdaemun and it's raining and it's
아씨, 마사지나 받을래? 저기 마사지나.
이거 봐. So we're at
있구나.
we're at
동대문 DDS.
we're at
DDP.
Dongdaemun DDS.
DDP him, girl. 사진 찍어야 돼.
Was strolling through my mind, found another thought that was addressed to you. You're smiling like sunshine, brings me back away from what I have to do. I feel like I'm dreaming, 'cause everything about you always seems unreal. Don't shake me, don't wake me, I'm gonna live inside this dream. Dance, dance.
Hi, we are going.
뭐야? 어디 가는 거야, 우리가?
We are at
승차 처리가 안 된 승차권입니다. 승차 처리가 안 된 승차권입니다. 승차 처리가 안 된 승차권입니다.
어디로 가야 돼?
부평역을 지나쳤어요. 바보같이. 뭐 하는 거야? 자기만 하고. 아니야, 부평 안 나왔다니까 소리. 부평 못 들었어 나.
우리가 이거 못 들은 거 잘못한 거지.
So we're at Kansok. We've passed like 4 stopovers from Bupeong. It's okay.
가까이 있어야지, 예쁜 거.
Maybe I could be your solace. Maybe I could be something more. Oh, baby, it's always summertime. When I'm with you, that's not a lie.
저녁에 늦는다고 조안이 미리
Maybe you could be my solace. 오늘 말투가 날 위로해. 내 심장이 막 두근두근 터질 것 같아. 눈이 마주칠 때면 미쳐가. 매일 밤 가슴이 터질 듯한 너도 날 똑같이 사랑해줄래. 네가 돌아볼 때마다 고백 연습하는 나. I just wanna make you mine until the end. My summertime. 얼어붙을까봐 그냥 서있어 계속 붙어있어 많은 사랑 노래들 이런 뻔한 가사를 쓰지만 다른 노래와는 달라. 너를 위해 쓴 게 아니잖아. 선물이 된 노래야. 특별해 oh, maybe you could be my solace. 네 말투가 날 위로해. 내 심장이 막 두근두근 터질 것 같아. 눈이 마주칠 때면 미쳐가. 매일 밤 가슴이 터질 듯한 너도 날 똑같이 사랑해줄래. 네가 돌아볼 때마다 고백 연습하는 나. I just wanna make you mine until the end. My summer ends when you're not on the side, so don't go. It's only bright when you are, the years just gonna go away. say you'll stay. So we can keep on falling. 숨이 터질 때.
난 초록색 좋아.
To whoever it may concern, wanted, sponsorship, price, negotiable.
Yo, fancy cars, fresh clothes, free shit, all I want. I don't even rap for the props, I just wanna get a finger in the pie for the top where I don't gotta want for shit. Friends hit me up with them sponsorships and I on a tip. I just gotta post on the gram for the fans and they stand with the man, they all want that shit like hi Snapper, please sponsor me. I'm a big fan of your product. Are you even still down under anymore? Maybe I shouldn't bother. Fuck, not lying. All I ever wanted was for Peach Snapple to be on the rider. Last tour I ordered it, had water, juice and beer provided. So Snapple, if you're hearing this, get some and have it overnight, cause I'm so tired of getting no high. Now all I'm really wanting is my own supply, but that's small time. Somebody get me an in with the brands that we all like. I just try to be Australian famous, came through it all somehow, still nameless. Gotta get these brands behind me, I'll make it. And I just took some advice from Gator, man, success gotta be contagious. Getting closer now to that A-list, but once I hit that top, I'll be living off that autonomy. But until I get that spot, I'm just begging places to sponsor me. Cause my whole life I done grew up with nothing. Okay, maybe not nothing.
오케이.
뭐 과하게 먹네.
진짜 또 먹겠나 이거?
쭉 빨았는데?
8. 오빠. 8.5? 언니. 8. 언니.
8.2.
와우. 언니 8이네.
두개 같이 먹으면 될걸?
한 번 더. 렌다이 하셨어.
뭔가 스테이크를 먼저 한 입 먹고 싶어.
비빌래 아니?
김지인 나.
추가하실 상품을 선택해주세요.
아이스.
She my Uchi Walla, Uchi mama, drink a like a pink colada, need the dollars, say la vie, twin them ballers, J Hardy, shorty movie extreme, and she was thick like thicker than these, yeah she go dirty wine and get me, back to America with my queen, then my time's up, put my hands on your hip and it's like us, when you dance on the dick if it wind up, it's a slam on the wrist and we might judge, get a slam on the bitch on time, curve these niggas girl you walk straight lines, you a Wonder Woman when the man can't find, they don't know your name but you better say mine, I know it take time but still I'm like, hey, yeah, ass keep shaking like, hey, yeah, and you keep coming can't wait, yeah, and she keep coming my way, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, and we keep jumping like, hey, yeah, backseat coming like, wait, yeah, and you keep coming my way, yeah, hey, yeah.
What you want to go with the young man? I'ma make plans, but I'll put some time aside. I know you know some of my friends, and I know they bobbing out tonight. We can go ahead, link then, and we'll see what type of spot we find. Meet you at the pregame, we can get a drink and we'll waste some time. As it goes, watch the whole room fade away. I got focused on the things you had to say, but I can't, cause once I started seeing it shake, I'm seeing it coming at me, I'm away, yeah. Shorty keep coming this way, yeah, hey, yeah.
Hey, yeah, ass keep shaking like, hey, yeah, and you keep coming, can't wait, yeah, and she keep coming my way, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, and we keep jumping like, hey, yeah, backseat jumping like, wait, yeah, and you keep coming my way, yeah, hey, yeah.
감성. I got my beaches up in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. The shit.